If your tooth suddenly hurts when you drink something cold, this is not just sensitivity. It is the first warning sign of tooth decay. At that moment, bacteria have already broken through your enamel and started destroying the inner structure of your tooth. In this cavity-filling animation, you are going inside the tooth to see exactly how a dental cavity forms, how a cavity-filling dentist removes decay, and how a tooth is restored using modern dentistry techniques. This dental cavity-filling animation shows the complete cavity-filling procedure step by step using high-precision 3D visualization. A cavity begins when acids from plaque dissolve the enamel surface. Once decay reaches the dentin, the damage accelerates. Dentin is softer than enamel and contains microscopic channels that lead directly to the pulp. This is why untreated cavities progress quickly and often end in severe pain or root canal treatment. In this tooth cavity filling animation, you will see cavity filling removal performed with extreme accuracy. Only infected tissue is removed while healthy tooth structure is preserved. This step is critical because incomplete decay removal allows bacteria to continue spreading beneath the filling. Many people search for cavity filling at-home solutions, but this video explains why that is dangerous. There is no safe way to perform cavity filling at home. Professional cavity filling by a licensed dentist is the only effective method to stop tooth decay and protect your oral health. Once the cavity is cleaned, the dentist applies a bonding agent to seal the tooth. Then, a white tooth filling is placed in layers and hardened using a specialized curing light. This white tooth filling restores strength, function, and appearance while sealing the tooth against future infection. If this educational cavity filling animation is helping you understand dentistry better, take a moment to subscribe to DentalVision3D. We create professional dental animations to explain real clinical procedures in a clear and accurate way. If you have your own experience with cavities, dental fillings, or tooth decay, write a comment and share your story. Your experience can help others feel less anxious about dental treatment. Also, send this video to a friend who has been delaying a dental visit. Early treatment can save a natural tooth. This cavity-filling ASMR-style visualization helps many viewers relax while learning how dental procedures actually work. Understanding the cavity-filling procedure reduces fear and gives you control over your dental decisions. Preventing cavities starts with understanding how they form. Good oral hygiene, fluoride protection, reduced sugar intake, and regular dental checkups are the foundation of cavity prevention. Early cavity filling prevents infection, avoids root canal therapy, and protects long-term dental health. This short video and long-form dental cavity filling animation is created to educate, not to replace professional care. Always consult a qualified cavity filling dentist for diagnosis and treatment. You are watching DentalVision3D, where dentistry, science, and 3D visualization come together to help you protect your teeth and prevent tooth decay.